Ay,
Hello, thank you so much for calling Carmitel. This is Shea speaking. How may I help you? I would like to do a reservation, please. May I have your full name, please? Mr. Alphonse. Thank you, ma'am. Your name is K stands for Kilo, R stands for Romeo, I stands for India, Z stands for Zulu, P stands for Tango, A stands for Echo, L stands for Lima, O stands for Oscar, S C stands for Charlie, A stands for Alpha, L stands for Lima. Did I spell it correctly, ma'am? Yes. Can I have your complete address? Also, may I have your email address and contact number? My email address is
siko.
My
Oh.
contact number is 0915 0916 836. May I know your preferred date for your stay, ma'am? My preferred date of stay is April 24. For how many people, ma'am? For one only. And for how many nights, ma'am? For 2 nights. Okay, ma'am, I'll just check the availability of the room and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for patiently waiting, ma'am. I'm glad to inform you that we have several rooms for those days. We have single room, good for one person. It has single bed, amenities, toiletries, cabinet, safety phone, telephone, TV, Wi-Fi, hot and cold shower, and it costs 5,000 pesos per night. Also, we have standard room good for one person. It has one single bed, toiletries, cabinet, telephone, um, safety phone, fully air conditioned, smart TV, and free access to pool area. And it costs 10,000 pesos per night. Also, our room rates comes with complimentary breakfast mixed with American and continental. Which do you prefer, ma'am? I prefer the first one. Thank you, ma'am. Do you have any special request? Ma'am. Certainly, ma'am, your total bill is 10,000 pesos. As a company policy, you have to pay 50% of your total bill, which is 5,000 pesos. Would you like to guarantee your reservation, ma'am? Yes, credit card. Can
Siko
I
mo
have
yun?
your credit card details? May I have your card holder's name? My card holder's name is Isabel. And may I have your card account number? Card account number is 911105. May I also have your card type and its expiration? Card type is MasterCard. Expiration will be on June 2029. Thank you so much, ma'am. Let me confirm your reservation. Your name is Local from Kabukan City. Your email address is present506@gmail.com and your contact number is
Nagagalit na siya.
0915-7360. And your arrival is
Ano ako?
on April
Check-in pa
24
yan.
and your departure is on April 26. Your room type is single room and your card details are your card holder's name is Crystal Scal. Your
Naiinip na
card
siya.
account number is 09111052. Your card type is MasterCard and it's expired on June 2029. Did I get everything correctly, ma'am? Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. Your reservation is now recorded and you'll get email with all your details. Your confirmation number is 141
Borda siya.
and 50% refund cancel prior to your arrival. And cancellation upon arrival is not refundable and not allowed. Am I clear, ma'am? Yes.
Madidistract na.
Also, our check-in standard is 2 p.m. and please inform us if you will be late. And if you arrive early, we will store your luggage for you. Do you have any questions?
Karakter talaga siya.
I will be late. I have an important matter to do. Thank you so much for that, ma'am. I'll just inform the process. Anything else, ma'am? Ma'am. Thank you for choosing Prime Hotel. Have a nice day.
The next day. siya.
Sorry, but I use the entrance reservation
Wala,
under.
cellphone mo, wala na niya.
Because the customer, I was working earlier today, unfortunately my phone died. So I can show you the confirmation here. Well, without you, there's nothing I can. I'm not able to be out of Oh, are you sure? Doesn't this about the policy to never take away our guests? Are you kidding me? I said we're fully booked. Now I'm going to step aside and leave. Please and thank you.
Actually, I know. My flight was just cancelled due to the storm.
Well, we already show up tonight, but I should be able to right now.
Really? That's great. You're a lot safer.
Well, it's a no policy to call rooms for storms and emergencies. And our owner believes in never turning anyone off.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, you are in luck. We do have 2 rooms left, all singles. That gonna be okay, sir?
As long as you that can keep it right, I'm fine with it.
That will be 10,000 pesos, and I need to see your card, please.
Of course,
Ano, reklamo na siya. Wait lang ka. Hinihinga pa siya.
and my ID.
Oh no, sir. I don't need to see your ID.
Ay?
Alright, so we'll be on room 217 on the second floor. The bell attendant will assist. Bell attendant, please assist the guest.
Thank you so much for making this.
My pleasure, sir. Hope you enjoy your stay. Have a good night.
Ay naman. Wait lang.
Our building good. Let me introduce you our hotel facilities. We have a gym at the second floor open 24 hours. We have restaurant, bar, cafe, and the lobby. Yes, wait, sir. In case of emergency, sir, there's a fire exit every floor and a fire extinguisher. Wait, sir. Here's your room, sir. Yes, please. By opening your room, sir, just tap the key card at the key card. Would you like to come in? Sure, come in. Where do you want me to put your luggage, sir? Here. Let me introduce that your single room, sir. You have a single bed, your bathroom, and amenities. You have a cabinet. Inside your cabinet, sir, is your personal clothes. And
Oh, may
inside
vault.
the bed is your telephone. Press 1 for passport, press 2 for housekeeping, press 3 for room service. Any questions, sir? None for now. Okay, sir, I'll take a leave for a while. Just call the front desk if you need any assistance, so they can tell you your plan. Sure, no problem. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, did I hear you tell that gentleman that you hold the free rooms open for times like this? Ma'am, we do have rooms for actual guests, not a people like people like me? No, no wait. I found your reservation under the name Prince de la Hall, starting April 24 to 26. Breakfast, 6 to 10. You don't have to pay the remaining balance. It's free because you can't afford a room. 216.
Sikong. Sikong. Oh. Tama.
Gosh, my room is so dirty. Why? Ma'am, we are a five-star hotel. We don't serve bombs of the smoke. Well, I know I look like a mess, but that's only because I have to walk a mile from the airport in the pouring rain and I couldn't get a cab. Look, I know a bomb when I see one. I'm cold, I'm damp, and exhausted. I just want to take shower and get some rest. I've got a big day tomorrow. Big day? Doing what? Collecting change under the freeway? Where do you get off talking to a guest like that? You're not a guest here. Now leave. Call your manager. I won't waste your time. Even if I did let you leave, you can't afford to stay here. Why do you think that? Well, all our guests have jobs, and clearly you do not. I can assure you, I can afford one. Huh, this ID is so fake. You probably stole it. I am not a thief. Fine, I need to see your ID. You didn't ask the other gentleman for his ID. Well, that's because he wasn't trying to hustle me. Haven't you heard of never judge a book by its cover? This ID is so fake. It says you live in Beverly Hills. Someone like you couldn't afford to stay there. Someone like me? You mean as a black girl? Excuse me? That's not what I said. I'm not a racist. From the moment I walked in, he judged me by my appearance. This has nothing to do with race. I'm just trying to protect this company from a vagrant. Me? Vagrants? I want a clean room right now. Kid, I've had enough. Security, please get her out of here. I am not going anywhere.
Walk up, ma'am, or drop you out.
Okay, boss. I was just headed up the music. Alright, drive safe and get some sleep. Tomorrow's a big day. Novel's owner will be presenting at our corporate party.
Ala, yun pala yung ano nila, guest nila.
Yes, I know you want to become a manager. Yes. I'm
Wala
looking
ka.
for that tomorrow.
Change outfit na yan siya.
I'll make sure I'm here bright and early tomorrow to have set books.
Hindi ata, black talaga
Boss,
siya.
drive carefully.
Naglagay siya sa mukha.
Hindi nakapindot.
Pindutan.
Nagbibideo hindi nakapindot.
Tagal ni boss. Patugtog ka na. Oh, sino siya?
Saan
Ang
na?
lakas niya.
Patugtog ka, sino siya?
Good morning, sir. Today is your checkout. Do you wish to extend your stay?
No.
Checkout is at noon. What time will you be checking out?
11:30.
Alright, sir. The attendant will assist you.
14 minutes.
Housekeeping, please clean room 217 and notify us. And I think he'll give you a gift.
Housekeeping.
Kami.
The room is clear.
Anong tinitignan mo?
The attendant.
Nagpapakyut siya.
Bullshit ka talaga, Trisha.
Trisha. Ikaw. Mama, nagpapakyut. Ang init ng mukha ko.
Paano yung pagyat?
Ikaw ganyan-ganyan. Naisip ka talaga. my God. Sabi na eh. Ang taas ng pataas ko na. Ipak na.
Walang pambayad yan.
Because of Mr. and teacher, I become a manager in today's Galati. No balance, sir. Here is your receipt. Do you have a car, sir?
Yes.
Here is your car pass. The bell attendant will assist you to the party.
Meron man dito
Bell
sa
attendant, please assist the guest to the party line.
May I have your
Wala na, Trish.
May babe ka ma. Eh? Kasama ka dyan?
Mag-change outfit na si boss.
Ba't nakarap si Pipay? Ano natin? Hindi ko marinig. Makitulog muna yata tayo.
Uy! Ang may bababa yan.
Wala na yung matay. Surf, surf. Ano yun?
Alright, this network. The hotel will be here in 2 weeks.
Hello?
There she is. Wow, good to be here. Happy to see you.
Shit,
Oh,
change
shit,
outfit.
Happy that break stops.
Yes, so before we start, I want to introduce to you Yuna.
Hala ka.
Nice to meet you. Come on, Yuna, don't be shy.
So it's you.
Oh, you two already know each other?
Yes, we met already. I tried to check into this hotel, but she did. I couldn't afford it.
What?
Because a good manager never judge a book by she looked like a mammoth the street. Anyone would turn her away if they saw her like that. And that's the exact attitude that motivated me to open my own hotel. So you see, growing up, my family didn't have a lot of money.
So you see, Darman,
Yes,
Darman.
they were 2 years to stay at fancy hotel. But when we arrived, they refused to honor our reservation. They looked at us and assumed we couldn't afford it. That experience changed me. It made me determined to succeed so no one could ever turn me or my family away. I worked hard, got into top of university, and eventually graduated on top of my class. All for working long shifts at a fancy hotel. And my boss suggested I enroll in something down Manila. After several years of saving, I brought my parents to hotel. And make sure everyone feels welcome no matter how big or where.
Ganito.
I record that prayer fast. She passed me one of the worst nights of my life. It's an honesty. No. When you belittle or humiliate
Ganda
someone,
ng sapatos.
not a mistake. It's bad judgment and poor character.
Don't worry, Miss Crystal. This will never happen. Yuna, you're fired!
What?
Please collect your things immediately.
No. Please don't try me. I worked so hard to get this promotion.
Go on.
No! Please give me another chance. Now I want you
Ang laki ba naman nung-
I watch how you interacted with every guest with kindness and respect.
Beatrice.
Tanga, isa yun.
Ay, yung isa ba?
Yung isa yun.
Yung isa pala.
Yung isa mo.
Yung isang guest pala yun.
And character are what makes these photos.